Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Bring 4 liters of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt. This seasons the pasta through. Add 2 cups dried elbow macaroni and stir immediately to prevent sticking. Then cook uncovered for 8 to 10 minutes until tender but still firm to the bite. Drain the pasta in a colander and rinse under cold running water to stop the cooking process, and cool the macaroni fully so it will not wilt the vegetables or thin the dressing later. While the pasta cools, finely dice 1 cup carrots, 1 cup celery, and 1 cup cucumber to give distinct crunch and color. Add 1/2 cup frozen peas if you like, and thaw them under cold water. In a bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard until smooth. Season with 1/2 teaspoons salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and 1 tablespoon sugar to brighten the dressing. Then adjust acidity or sweetness to balance flavors before combining with the pasta. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled macaroni with the prepared vegetables and pour the dressing over them. Toss gently with a spatula to coat every piece without breaking the pasta. Taste and adjust seasoning, then cover and chill the salad in the refrigerator for 2 hours so flavors meld and the dressing firms slightly. Chilling enhances texture and overall flavor. Serve cold, portion into bowls, and store any leftovers in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days, stirring once before serving to redistribute dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.